Hello everybody, I'm here again with a new pattern that is really nice and easy to knit. What we have to do for this pattern, we need to have a multiple of 10 plus 5 plus 2 for edges. If you want to use any kind of rib or edge for a start, or if you want to start from the beginning, what we have to do, we are going just to take the first one as the edge, then we are going to pull 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Then for the next 5 stitches we are going to just slip stitches. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, but make sure the yarn, it should be in front. 1 2 3 4 5. For the next 5 stitch we are going to pull again, and the last one as a edge. Row 2, what we have to do, we are going to pull all stitches. Like that. What we have to do for row 3, we are going to repeat again the pattern until we have 4 of the yarn like this. I'm going to knit and I'll be back. So here now I already made 7 rows. I have 1 2 3 4. Now I'm in row 8 and I am in wrong side of the pattern. What we have to do here, I'm going to pull the first 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. When it comes to the next 5, what we have to do, we are going to pull the first one and second one. Then here I have to insert my hook and grab this 4 yarn like this. Then I'm going to take this 4 and 1 stitch in the middle, then pull all together like that. But always, maybe you have to be careful to take only 1 stitch. Here like that, then pull this 4th one and 5th like this. Now is time to pull the last 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 8 like that. This is the back side of the work and this is the front side. What we have to do in row 9, we are going to change the position. What should I do? We are going to take the first one, bring the yarn in front, and then slip 5 stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now we are going to pull the next 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. When it comes to the next 5, bring the yarn in front and make a slip stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then the last one as a edge, like that. We are going to repeat again for 3 more rows to have 4 of this yarn, and I'll be back. I already finished row 15. As you can see here, again I have 4. 1 2 3 4. Now we are going to row 16 and we are in the wrong side of the work. This is the first one as an edge. We pull the first and second. Then I'm going to take these 4 yarn and I try to make these 4 with the one in the middle and pull all together like that. Then the next 2 I'm going to just pull the stitches. Now we are in the middle. We are going to pull the 5 stitches. When it comes to the next 5, we pull the first and second one, then insert the hook and grab these 4 yarn and we make pull with the one in the middle. Then the next 2 just pull and that one as a edge. As you can see here, the pattern should look like that. It means that we are going to, for this pattern, we need to have 16 rows, 8 for this, 8 rows for the next pattern. Now it's time to repeat again like row 1 to make the pattern in the middle. If you repeat these 16 rows, you are going to have like this. As you can see, this is the front side and this is the back side of the pattern, and you can use it for any kind of project you like. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.